up? It's your girl CC back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. If you're already a member of the family, welcome back, fam. So y'all already know we're in front of the house. Your girl is back in Texas. I forgot to tell y'all, I flew back in yesterday. I'm back in Texas for my home orientation because it is this close to closing, which means we are this close to the empty house tour. You guys, I've never been to a home orientation. Maybe some of y'all can help me out, but they said 2 to 3 hours. So we're about to go in here. I have to take some, that's babe texting me. I have to take some video and some notes because my partner in crime is not here. He was not able to leave because he has school obligations. So your girl is here solo dolo. My realtor is meeting me here and we are going to do this thing together. So let's go inside and do this home orientation. And just like that, it has been 2 whole hours. Your girl has been through every nook and cranny in this home, in my home. And I'm overwhelmed, I'm excited, but I'm not distracted. So I started taping. I don't know if you guys can see like this kind of stuff. Like I started taping in the kitchen. My realtor came through and she's taped a little bit for me. So yeah, I'm about to go through this house. We're gonna have to figure out this lighting. Okay, I'm about to go through this house. I'm about to tape to my heart's content. They have left me alone in this home to do what I need to do. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's tape together. Oh, I don't know if I want to show you. I'm not going to show you. But when I do the house tour, remind me to tell you guys about the surprise. So we did get a little surprise and I'm so excited, and babe's going to be so excited, and I don't want to tell him, but I'm going to tell him anyway. So yeah, let's save up this house. Okay, so I don't know if leaving me here with this roll of tape is a good or a bad thing, because it's tape everywhere. Like, literally everywhere. So I've been over here. Taping it up. And it's because a good piece of advice that I got from Smith 2.0, so shout out to her, was sit on the floor and look at everything. Sit in your spaces and look at everything. So that is what I've been doing. So far, it's just like little touch-up stuff that needs to be done, but yeah, I'm sitting in my spaces, I'm looking at everything, and I'm taking my time. So that is one of the best pieces of advice I can give you, is to sit in your space, look at everything. Don't be in a rush, and don't be, come here often so you're not like, oh my God, my house is done. And it's gorgeous and it's beautiful, because it is, but you want to make sure everything is right. So far I've done the master bedroom, the kitchen, and I'm off to do my office. But yeah, I just wanted to say, take your time, pay attention, and sit in your spaces, like really sit in your spaces. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm back with reinforcements. We got sister girl here helping out with the tape, and y'all, we is taped up. But I will show y'all the downstairs tape when we get finished. But I had to go to my sister's house, use the bathroom, and get something to eat because your girl is getting hungry. So now that she's here, we're about to continue our taping, and then I'll show you all the things we taped downstairs and why. So let's go. All right, y'all, so we are in Tape City. It's tape, like they got what you call that, finishing, varnish, whatever you do for this all on these. I don't know that they'll fix all of this stuff that I taped, but if y'all have ever built a home, let me know if they're gonna fix all of the stuff that I taped, because we close in a few weeks. Upstairs was not that bad. I don't know what my sister taped this for, because it's dirty. What you tape this for?
That's paint, girl.
Oh. Let me leave her taping alone. So my sister taped this. Emery over there taking a snack time. She supposed to be working. She over there eating on the clock with her daddy. So yeah, y'all. This is the blue tape situation. But let me sit down and talk to y'all. So if you ever come to your orientation, this is what you can expect, okay? Number one, my home project manager did not allow recording, so that's why I did not record. But when I tell you we went through every inch of this house, you're gonna go through every inch of this house. And when they say 2 hours, it takes 2 to 3 hours. You're gonna flick every light switch. You're going to crawl in the attic, which I was not prepared for. You're gonna go into all the crawl spaces, which I was not prepared for, but I did it anyway because this is my home and I need to know all of these things. Also, y'all know D is he's just like barely starting to walk on his own 2 feet, so I would have had to do it anyway because he wouldn't have been able to get up in there, but he's going to get in there. They tell you like how to change the filters, when to change the filters, how to change the water temperature, how to relight the pilot, where the switches are for everything. Should you need to turn off the water at the main source, or if you see the water leaking from certain places, like what to do. It is literally, the orientation was literally, we went inch by inch by inch of this house. And then what I liked is that he left me here to my own devices all day to tape to my heart's content. And so that is what I did. I taped this morning, you guys know, and then I got hungry, so I left, went and got something to eat, grabbed my sister for a second set of eyes, and Maine for a third set of eyes, and for a taller person because there were some things that I wanted fixed up top that I could not reach, but he could. So we got those taped off, and yeah, so I'm pretty satisfied with all of my taping. But yeah, definitely at the home orientation, that is the time for you to come alone, like no kids. I wouldn't bring any kids to the home orientation. It would just be me and whoever else is going to be that second set of eyes to go through it. My realtor came, so she helped out a lot. So yeah, if you guys have questions, let me know. If you have any advice, let me know. By the time you see this video, I think, yeah, I'll still be able to, it'll be before my second walk. So this was the first walk, and then I think in 10 days we'll do the second walk before we close. So if you guys have any advice, let me know below in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.